Ashwagandha is a powerful herb, revered for its numerous health benefits. It has been used in Ayurveda for centuries, a practice that dates back over 3,000 years. Ayurveda, the traditional Indian system of medicine, emphasizes balance and holistic healing. Ashwagandha is known as an adaptogen, a unique class of herbs that help the body adapt to stress. Adaptogens like ashwagandha support the body's ability to manage stress, promoting overall well-being. The name ashwagandha means smell of a horse, which is derived from the Sanskrit words ashva, meaning horse, and gandha, meaning smell. This refers to the herb's unique aroma, which is said to resemble that of a horse. It also hints at its ability to impart the strength and stamina of a horse to those who use it. Ashwagandha is native to India, the Middle East, and parts of Africa, thriving in diverse climates. Today, ashwagandha is gaining popularity worldwide as more people seek natural remedies. People are increasingly looking for natural ways to improve their health and well-being, turning to ancient remedies. Ashwagandha is available in various forms, including powders, which can be mixed into drinks or food, capsules for easy consumption, and liquid extracts for those who prefer a more concentrated dose. Ashwagandha is best known for its stress-reducing effects. It helps to regulate cortisol levels. Cortisol is known as the stress hormone. Studies show that ashwagandha can significantly reduce anxiety symptoms. It can also improve mood and promote relaxation. This makes it a popular choice for people with chronic stress. Ashwagandha can also improve sleep quality. It promotes relaxation and reduces racing thoughts. This makes it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Many people report feeling more refreshed upon waking after taking ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is not just about stress relief and sleep. It also offers cognitive benefits. Studies suggest that it can improve memory, focus, and attention. Some research indicates potential benefits for age-related cognitive decline. More research is needed in this area. Ashwagandha can also enhance athletic performance. It increases muscle mass and strength. It also improves endurance and recovery time. This makes it beneficial for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. How to incorporate ashwagandha into your routine. In this section, we'll explore the best ways to include this powerful herb in your daily life. The appropriate dosage of ashwagandha varies depending on several factors. It depends on the individual, their health condition, and the desired effect they are looking to achieve. It's always best to start with a low dose and, gradually increase it as needed. This approach helps your body adjust and minimizes potential side effects. A typical starting dose is 300 milligrams per day. This is a safe and effective amount for most people. This can be taken in 1 or 2 divided doses, depending on your preference and schedule. It's best to take ashwagandha with food, as this helps with absorption and prevents stomach upset. Taking it with meals can also make it easier to remember. Ashwagandha is available in various forms, including capsules, powders, and liquid extracts. Capsules are convenient for easy swallowing and are a popular choice for many users. Powdered ashwagandha can be added to smoothies or warm milk. This is a great option if you prefer to mix it into your favorite drinks. Extracts are more potent and should be taken as directed. They are ideal for those who need a stronger dose or prefer a liquid form. Incorporating ashwagandha into your routine can be simple and beneficial. By following these guidelines, you can make the most of this powerful herb. Ashwagandha, an ancient medicinal herb, has gained popularity for its potential health benefits. However, it's essential to use it responsibly to ensure safety and effectiveness. Ashwagandha is generally safe for most adults when taken in appropriate doses. It can help reduce stress, improve concentration, and boost overall well-being. However, some people may experience side effects. These side effects can vary from mild to more severe, depending on individual health conditions and dosage. Common side effects include upset stomach, diarrhea, and drowsiness. In rare cases, it may cause more serious reactions. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid ashwagandha due to potential risks to the baby. It's crucial to prioritize safety during these sensitive periods. It's always crucial to consult your doctor before taking any new supplement. Your healthcare provider can offer personalized advice based on your health history. This is especially important if you have any underlying health conditions, such as autoimmune diseases, thyroid disorders, or diabetes. They can advise you on the appropriate dosage and potential interactions with medications you may already be taking. This helps prevent adverse effects and ensures the supplement's efficacy. Remember, supplements like ashwagandha are not a replacement for a healthy lifestyle. They should be used as part of a holistic approach to health. They are meant to complement a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques. By integrating ashwagandha responsibly, you can enhance your overall wellness and achieve a more balanced life.